Well, there are a lot of videos here on YouTube with explanation of Russian cases. To not repeat what was already said, I will try to explain it in another way. I will speak about most common situations in which you have to use a certain case, so you know exactly when and which case to use. Today we are going to talk only about very common everyday situations. If this video will get 300 likes, I will do separate videos for each case explained in details. И давайте начнем. Let's begin. Each case has its own specific endings. For example, let's take the word собака. Right now, this word is in nominative case. This is how it looks like when you look it up in a dictionary. Собака. The ending is a. This ending will be changed in a sentence according to a specific case. It can be собаку, собаке, собаки. I'm giving you this example for you to see how exactly the case is changing the word. And let's start with the genitive case. Родительный падеж. Situation number 1 is to say where are you from. Let's start with feminine and take a feminine noun. Italia. This is a feminine noun. Italia. Nominative case. Ia ending will be changed to ii in genitive case. And you will say, Я из Италии. I am from Italy. Italia became Италии in genitive. Now let's take a masculine noun, Minsk. In genitive masculine, you have to add a ending. So it will be Я из Минска. Я из Минска. Let's continue with neuter. It's Oslo. Oslo. Here the ending will remain the same because in genitive, neuter city names does not change their endings. Foreign neuter city names does not change their endings. And I am from Oslo will be Я из Oslo. Nothing changes. The situation number 2 is about not having something. If you don't have something and you want to say it, you will use the genitive case. Let's start with feminine. Let's take the word собака. Собака. To change собака to genitive, you have to change a to и. У меня нет, I do not have, собаки, genitive. У меня нет собаки. Or with ending, for example, I don't have a job. У меня нет работы. У меня нет работы. I don't have a job. Why did we use E there and here? Because K letter, K, собаки, does not support after it. Never. You will never see after K letter in Russian language. This is why we used E here. Okay, we are done with feminine. Let's look at the masculine. Кот. Кот is a cat, male cat. And I don't have a cat. У меня нет. What do we have to do in genitive for masculine? We have to add a. У меня нет кота. У меня нет кота. I don't have a cat. If it will be кошка, which is feminine because it ends in a, it will be у меня нет кошки. У меня нет кота, masculine, or у меня нет кошки, feminine. See the difference? And neuter, I don't have a blanket, because we will use blanket here, because blanket in Russian is neuter. Одеяло. Одеяло. And у меня нет одеяла. У меня нет одеяла. So O ending will be changed to a. одеяло. And now let's look at the plural. For example, I don't have bananas. I don't have them. I don't have bananas today. У меня нет. Бананы is plural, бананы. So we have to change them to genitive case to speak correctly. And we have to change «ы» with «of» in genitive plural. У меня нет бананов. У меня нет бананов. Easy, right? Let's continue with the accusative case. And let's look at the first situation is to say your name or someone else's name. For example, меня зовут Nastya. Oh my god, I just used the accusative case. Меня is in accusative. Меня зовут Настя. Тебя зовут Michael or Diego. Тебя is in accusative case here. So, меня, тебя, accusative. How to say his name is Tom, you have to use the accusative here as well. So, его зовут Том. Его is in accusative. Her name is Helen. For example, ее зовут Елена. In Russian, да, Елена. Ее зовут Елена. So, ее is in accusative case. Now let's see plural. Our name is Tom and Michael. Нас зовут Tom and Michael. Accusative. Are you Tom and Michael? Вас зовут Том и Майкл? And the last one, they are John and Anna. Их зовут, or they are John and Anna, or their names are John and Anna. So, их зовут Иван и Анна. And one more very important role of accusative case is to say what you are eating and drinking. So, pizza is feminine, so we have to change a to u in accusative. And it will be я ем, I'm eating, пиццу. So you can't leave here the word pizza just in nominative case because it will be incorrectly. Of course, everybody will understand you, but if you want to speak correctly, you have to change it to accusative case. So я ем пиццу, I'm eating pizza, or I eat pizza. And let's continue with masculine. Хлеб. Хлеб, bread. So I'm eating bread will be я ем хлеб. Nothing changes. Why? Because in accusative masculine, nothing changes. Or another example is with tea. Чай. Я пью чай. I drink tea or I'm drinking tea. Nothing changes. Let's continue with neuter. Milk in Russian is молоко, and it's neuter. So I drink milk, я пью молоко. Nothing changes. Great! So no ending for neuter in accusative. And let's continue with plural, бананы. One more time. Я ем бананы. Nothing. Wow, that's great. Я ем бананы. I eat bananas. No ending in plural. So basically in accusative only feminine gender is changing. Yay! And the last situation in accusative is when you want to say that you love something or someone. In Russian, we use the verb to love in the same way you use the verb to like in English. Let's begin with feminine. I love music. Я люблю музыку. Я люблю музыку. Or the example with another ending is, for example, we have Italia, different ending, ia, and in accusative you have to change it to EU. Я люблю Италию. Я люблю Италию. I love Italy. And there is no change for all other genders, and in plural it will remain the same. Let's just quickly go through examples. So, masculine. Я люблю кофе. I like coffee. Nothing changes. Or я люблю чай. I like tea. Neuter. Я люблю мороженое. Я люблю мороженое. Мороженое is neuter, so nothing changes in accusative. And plural. Я люблю яблоки. I like apples. And prepositional. Use prepositional when you want to say where. Где? Where? Где? Let's start with masculine. For example, the soup is in the fridge. Where? In the fridge. So we will change in the fridge in prepositional case. Суп, the soup, в холодильнике. В холодильнике. So холодильник, nominative, we change to холодильнике. So in masculine you have to add «е». В холодильнике. Okay, but where is the fridge? We'll ask you. The fridge is in the kitchen, and kitchen in Russian is feminine. Холодильник в кухне. Кухня became кухня. Холодильник в кухне. Feminine. Or let's see with a different ending. For example, Испания. How to say she is in Spain? Она в. So Испания has to be changed to prepositional case. Она в Испании. Она в Испании. She is in Spain. Where? In Spain. Prepositional case. В Испании. Neuter, nothing changes. Yay! Он живет в Токио. Токио. No changing. Он живет в Токио. He lives in Tokyo. And plural is a little bit difficult, so pay attention. Лекции, plural for classes. Classes, лекции. And how to say she's at her classes all day long. Она целый день на лекциях. So лекции became лекциях. Она целый день на лекциях. And now instrumental case answers to questions with whom, with what. Let's start with masculine. I like coffee with sugar. With what? With sugar. So here we will use the instrumental case. You have to add the ending om here. Я люблю кофе с сахаром. The ending is om. O will be pronounced as a because it's not stressed. Or another example, I drink coffee with my friend. With whom I drink coffee? With my friend. Мы с другом. So in Russian it is correctly to say we with my friend, not I drink coffee with my friend. We with my friend drink coffee. Мы с другом пьем кофе. So друг became другом. Мы с другом пьем кофе. O will be pronounced as a because it's not stressed. And now feminine. I drink tea with my girlfriend. Мы с подругой пьем чай. Подруга, подругой. Мы с подругой пьем чай. And neuter, let's use the word молоко. And for example, I drink coffee with milk. Я пью кофе с молоком. Молоко, молоком. Я пью кофе с молоком. And plural, я люблю пиццу с помидорами. Я люблю пиццу с помидорами. With what? With tomatoes. Instrumental case. Or I eat pizza with my girlfriend. Мы с подругами едим пиццу. With whom? With my girlfriend. С подругами. And the last but not least, dative case. Дательный падеж. Situation number 1. To whom you are going. So you will use the dative case to say to whom you are going. So let's begin with masculine. I'm going to a doctor. I'm going to whom? To a doctor. Я иду к врачу. I'm going to a doctor. К врачу. So you have to add у to the word врач. Врач, врачу. Feminine. I'm going to my mother. Я иду к маме. Мама, маме. Я иду к маме. Neuter. I'm going to the window. Я иду к окну. К окну. So окно, neuter, became окну in dative case. Я иду к окну. Plural. I'm going to my friends. Я иду к друзьям. Я иду к друзьям. And the second situation is an addressee to whom you are giving something, you are sending something, to whom you are saying something. For example, masculine. Я пишу письмо to whom? I'm writing a letter to a client. Я пишу письмо клиенту. So in masculine you have to add у ending. Клиенту. Feminine. Я подарю Маше духи. To whom? To Masha. Маше. I will give perfume to Masha. And plural. Я позвоню родителям. Я позвоню родителям. Родители родителям. I will call my parents. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Connect with me on all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Спасибо за внимание. Пока!